I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have been enjoying making beautiful crafts out of resin. And I have always been really impressed with the quality of ResinWorld products. So I tried their small tray, round, and square coaster set, and I was not disappointed. I really just loved the high quality of silicone that they used for these molds. It was so easy to pour. It kept its shape really, really well. It allowed the resin to level out, particularly with coasters or trays. You're putting stuff on it, so you want it to be nice and flat so that things aren't going to roll off or tip off. I also love how, as silicone usually is, so easy to clean. All you have to do is just wait for it to dry and it flicks right off. Such an easy thing to store. I can easily just put it in a craft bin, and whenever I need it, I can pull it out. I absolutely loved everything about these. It was such high quality. It was so easy to make things just the way I would like it. It's something that I'm wanting to get more and more into, and I'm really glad that I have access to high quality items that are going to help me to make the best products that I can. If you are into doing resin projects and maybe feel like a beginner, these molds are really going to help you to take that step and to make some beautiful high quality items. And that's my point of view.